I have all the info on FabFitFun Summer 2026 Category 5. So if you want to hear all the details, including reviews, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe, Bandit, Dexter, they're in another room, but I wanted to hop on and get you some info on FabFitFun's Summer 2026 customization number 5. So if you're new, welcome. If you love FabFitFun, this is the place for you. So consider giving us a subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So customization 5, I want to jump right into it. There's a lot of great items. There's some items that just aren't for me, but maybe they'll be for you. I don't know. We're going to start off with the first one, which is not a brand that I particularly choose to support, but it is by Ahaba. It's their 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. It's a $70 value. They say it's a nourishing mask and the ultimate luxury treatment for your skin. It combines two of the world's most ancient beauty secrets, the world famous soothing Dead Sea mineral mud and 24 karat gold, powered by their exclusive ostometer activator, and a signature blend of hydrating Dead Sea minerals. It is vegan, alcohol-free, GMO-free, and paraben-free. You're going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. You use it once to twice a week. This is female founded with no shipping restrictions. They did get 4.5 stars out of 5 with 320 reviews, with people saying it works nicely. It makes your skin feel smooth, firm, and hydrated. Love it. Fell in love immediately. Love their masks. So people do tend to like this. If this is something for you, maybe you check it out. We don't necessarily support it because there is some concerns about how they are gathering, whether they're sustainably gathering those minerals, and whether or not they're breaking international law by exploiting the natural resources from an occupied territory. And so many retailers have been pressured to stop selling their products. Next, we have another first aid. Oh, and that has no shipping restrictions. Next, we have another first aid beauty product. It is their anti-chafe stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. It's a $20 value. It is allergen-free, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, nano-free, parthenolide-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and safe for sensitive skin. It's 1.7 ounces. You're going to put it right in that area that chafes. We do have this somewhere. I think we got it last year. I got to be honest, I don't think we even used it. I got it for my daughter. I thought she would like it. She didn't ever use it. It is female founded and has no shipping restrictions. This got 4.6 stars out of 5 with 671 reviews. People think it's effective. If your thighs touch, get this. Recommended, gentle and effective, perfect for dry skin, a holiday essential, my new holy grail. Now, this particular product is vegan, but not all of their products are vegan, but they are cruelty-free. I didn't know that in the last video. I did look that up for you guys, and they are cruelty-free. That's important for me when I'm choosing a product. Next, by Bush Balm, is their ingrown hair exfoliating scrub, and this is in their new watermelon sugar scent. It's a $23 value, and it's an exfoliating body scrub. It is meant to loosen up any ingrown hairs, so razor bumps, things like that. It's all natural. It's safe to use on all skin types. I don't know anything about this brand. The size is 8 ounces. This has no shipping restrictions. An AI overview says that this particular scrub receives high praise for its fresh, summer-inspired scent and effective exfoliation, while users noting it significantly reduces razor bumps and ingrown hairs while leaving skin smooth, and it's designed to have a pleasant texture and for many eliminates the need for shave cream. Some takeaways are that users love the fresh, refreshing, and yummy aroma. It sounds delicious. It's effective. It clears up irritation and red bumps. Users feel a silky, soft texture after rinsing. Key ingredients are tea tree oils, natural sugar, and botanical oils. And it has many 5-star reviews. All right, this next product is what is going in my box. I did tell you that I had no shipping restrictions, correct? Okay, so this next product is what's going in my box. It is the Greg Natalie Ice Cream Scoop. I didn't know who was making it because I couldn't find it on their website, but it is from Greg Natalie, just like the ice cream bowls that I spoiled. It's in pastel yellow. It's a $24 value. It is dishwasher safe, yay, built to last, and the kind of kitchen accent that just looks as good in the drawer as in your hand. It is almost 8 inches in length, 7.95, and the scoop itself is 2.36 wide. You want to first dip it in hot water. That's going to help it glide through the ice cream. And you want to scoop in an S motion, it says. So there really aren't any reviews on this product. Can't give you much more information, but I mean, it's cute. And if you're getting the bowls, you might as well get this. This is BIPOC founded. It's made of zinc alloyed and ceramic and has no shipping restrictions. All right, next by the Somewhere Company is an ice brick pack in lemon. Aren't these the cutest things you have ever laid eyes on? Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe not ever laid eyes on, but they're really cute, is what I'm saying. So they're meant to keep your food fresh and your drinks chilled, making your coworkers envious. It's like having your own little personal snowman in your lunchbox, only better, because it won't melt and make a mess. It is made with safe, high-quality materials. It's 100% phthalate free and BPA free. You're going to have 2 sizes. The regular one, which is 15 centimeters. 15 by 15, and it's going to be 2 centimeters thick. So not very thick there, but otherwise. And then the large is 21 by 15 by 2. That's how thick it will be. You can clean them with water, wipe with a rag, but do not put in the microwave or the dishwasher. You're going to freeze it beforehand. This is female founded with no shipping restrictions. According to a Google AI overview of reviews, it is highly rated for their cute embossed design and ability to keep lunches cold for hours. Now these are going to come in the lemon color. They do have a pink color, but that won't be available as one of your choices. At least not that they're saying. All right, next is a Luxe Choice. It's our first Luxe Choice showing up. It is the Voluspa Ombre Aura 55 milliliter perfume. It's a $90 value. You will have to pay an additional $29 to have this as a choice. It is a radiant blend of pomegranate, patchouli, and warm amber. These are not my scent notes, so I'm going to pass on this one. The bottle is beautiful. It's this deep purple. The brand is vegan, cruelty-free. The top notes are pomegranate and beach flower. The middle notes are rice flower and patchouli. And the base notes are cashmere wood, leather, and warm amber. So not a scent note profile that I prefer. I did like their vanilla one that I got last season, but this one I'm going to pass on. This is female founded, and it will only ship to US and Canada. So in an AI overview, it says the scent profile opens with a sticky, juicy pomegranate that blends into creamy, soft amber wood base. It's often described as cozy, fruity, and a slightly leathery fragrance. Lasts for 4 to 6 hours. It is a similar scent to Baccarat Rouge 540. All right, next by Noon and Moon. This is another one that has got to be in there. So luckily I have 2 boxes, so I can put 1 in each. This is their ceramic juicer in pink. Do I need this? No, I have a Tupperware one. Am I still going to get it? Yes, because it is gorgeous. It is a $48 value. It is 6.7 by 4.5, so that's how wide it's going to be, by 2. And I'm not really sure what the 2 is on here, but that's what it says. It is dishwasher safe. It has no shipping restrictions, and there really weren't any reviews on it. And last in this category is a bundle. It is a Color Street bundle of double-ended nail polish strips in peach tea and coffee nut. So they are solids. Now what you're going to do, because I've had this brand before, you're going to put it on, and then once you get it on one nail, as you kind of take the nail file and shape it too, if you have enough left for your other nail, you're able to put it on the other nail. When you've used all that you're going to use, if there's still more in the bag, you want to get your straightening iron, and you want to just clamp that package back shut to seal it in, or it will dry out. Now it says these will last for up to 2 weeks. I got to be honest with you, unless you put some clear polish over it, you're only going to get about a week if you do things like wash dishes, wash your hands frequently, or pretty much do anything that involves you using your hands. They are going to start to peel back. So you definitely want to put a clear coat, not only over it, but as well as go kind of behind the nail a little bit, so you're really getting the whole thing. All right, so that is what's in category 5. I am definitely getting the ice cream scoop and the juicer. But what would you put in your box? Let me know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.